Going on is back with a brand new video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up. You guys, I'm super excited today because today we're gonna try the new chicken Big Mac. I've been seeing a lot of people try it. I want to try it. I honestly prefer a McChicken over a Big Mac any day. So you guys, that's what we have right here. We do got a triple burger. We do got a triple burger. You guys, you know what's so cool? They gave me extra fries. I don't know why. They gave me some extra fries, so I think that was pretty cool. Look, we also got some nuggets, you guys. We got some nuggets. You know how I am with my nuggets. Gotta have some nuggets, so I'm gonna put them here real quick for you. We'll put the fries right now. Oh, look at that. Looks good. We just got a 10-piece, you guys. We got a 10-piece. That still looks good right there. Bam. Okay, you guys, we have some fries right here. I'm gonna dump them, even though we got more fries, but I'm not gonna eat them all. That's too much. So, you guys, let me bring this right here. Bring this more closer so you guys can see. Put it in the middle. Put the fry. Oh, I just dropped some fries. Like, that's good right there. That looks good. Let's see. Move that right here. Let's get this right here. Ooh. You guys got my fries here. Man, barbecue sauce. Sweet and sour, spicy buffalo. We got sauce back here, you guys. Yeah, I don't want this to fall. So you guys, let's get out the chicken Big Mac. This. Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. You know, I feel like this is gonna fall. I should have put my napkins. You guys, I messed up. Let's just eat. I messed up already. I know this is gonna fall, so let's try this. Wow. That is delicious. You guys, that is delicious, but I messed up. I knew it was gonna fall on me. That's what I deserve for not being prepared. I forgot to put a napkin down here so I can eat it, but it's okay. That is delicious. Yeah, you guys, this chicken Big Mac is way better than the regular Big Mac. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so messy too. I did extra sauce, that's why. Nuggets. Oh my God, that was delicious. Wow. I already knew I was gonna drop some the minute I bit that, and I forgot to put a napkin on my lap. Ah, rookie mistake by me. Been doing this for too long, and I always sometimes forget. Oh my God. Guys, let's try that. Oh my God, that was so good. I always had another one. That was good. I like it. I really like it. Got some bus blocks. That was good. The banana fries are so delicious. I got extra too. I think I'm gonna eat them like this. Look at. Oh my God. So you guys, right here we got a triple cheeseburger. Triple cheeseburger. Why is it all smush? Oh well. Can't go wrong with a triple cheeseburger from McDonald's. It's funny because I wouldn't even eat the other fries and I'm already eating them too. McDonald's fries hit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my God, that was delicious. Oh my God. I can't believe I dropped some mac sauce and lettuce and all that in my lap. Oh my gosh, you guys. I had a feeling it was gonna happen once I bit it. Once I bit the burger, because I just remember that I forgot to put a napkin down here because it just, oh my God. It's okay though. Rookie mistake. I hope it don't happen again, but you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you enjoy, you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of you guys' day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.